National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Ellis County in north central Texas until 9:30 p.m. At 9:05 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southwest of Avila to 10 miles southwest of Waxahachie to 21 miles southwest of Waxahachie, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Avila around 9:15 p.m., Oak Leaf and Waxahachie around 9:20 p.m., Red Oak around 9:25 p.m., Bardwell, Palmer and Ennis around 9:30 p.m. This will impact Interstate 35 east between mile markers 388 and 410. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.